Yo guys, what up? Me, Patrick Levar, back again with a quick little vlog here. This is basically, I wanted to speak to you guys about the 5-day deal. I just finished watching for the second time the lighting interiors with by Sean Herbert, and it got me motivated to grab the camera. And I noticed the lighting in the room was pretty cool, and it's all natural, just light. I opened up a few windows, and I'm all about window light right now, which is cool. It looks so cinematic, and trying to keep the camera on the shadow side possibly. So just quickly try to mess around with the camera. Wanted to share that with you guys. If you don't know, you need to jump on that 5-day deal, guys, because this class alone was worth the money. And there's like 4 other courses that I'm watching, one about DaVinci Resolve, which I have yet to finish, and another one about seamless transitions that you can do in camera by full-time filmmakers. And it's just those 3. I can't stop. I haven't even tried the other ones because I can't stop watching those ones. I'm just taking notes and stuff. So quickly, links down in the description. Again, all 10% of the sales goes to charity. It's a great deal if you're into filmmaking. You guys want to jump on it. Anyways, enough of my sales pitch. Patrick Levar, keep filming. I got some more stuff coming for you guys shortly. Take care of each other. Peace.